Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a legendary brand, the Boston Whaler. This is the 170 Montauk. Just an absolutely gorgeous boat here, guys. This one has the umbrella top. As we approach the boat, the bottom cushion here comes out for a casting platform. The seat back comes out for rod holders. Ticket covered swim platform with ladder. The boat comes standard with a 90 horsepower. This one has the optional 115 Mercury with stainless steel prop. Let's look at that attention to detail here, guys. Chrome rub rail, stainless cleats, stainless grab handles. This has the fishing package, which includes live well. And puts the seat down. The seat back dubs as a leaning post, and as you can see, it has multiple positions. The driver's helm, compass, stainless steering wheel. Again, the stainless bimini top with umbrella. Additional teak. Does come with its own trailer, which has a legendary Boston Whaler logo. Again, the fishing package includes the cooler up front with additional cushions, rod storage, windshield. This boat is equipped with a bow cushion underneath, a fish box, adjust forward, anchor locker. This is already pre-rigged for wiring for trolling motor. Again, the 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Come down and see us at MarineMax Gulf Shores. You can reach us at 251-981-1113. Thank you.